Sup bitches and welcome back to the channel.
Alright, so welcome back again bitches, and this time, I want you to join me as I get ready for today. Because today is Sunday, that means church day, right? So gusto ko lang sa inyo share yung my weekend look na tinatawag ko, charot. Yes, I'd call it weekend look kasi yun yung usual ko na ginagawa every weekends. And, yep, na hindi siya makeup, okay, kasi I don't wear makeup. Hindi naman sa I don't wear, just that hindi ako nasanay na mag-wear ng makeup pag lumalabas ako. Kasi gusto ko as much as possible comfortable ako pag nasa labas. Siguro some of you can relate. Bakit hindi nag-wear ng makeup pag lumalabas? Kasi nga yun. So at first, kailangan talaga yung skincare muna. Of course, the Skinbliss Renewal Toner. I don't know. Gusto ko lang mag-vlog dito parang getting ready with me kasi nakikita ko rin siya sa ibang vloggers na ginagawa yung getting ready with me. So I decided na why not give it a try kahit na hindi siya yung parang makeup or whatsoever dyan. Ito lang, ayoko soap toner na to eh. Eh daw maganda siya, I mean yung amoy lang medyo, you know, hindi ko gusto. So if tatanungin niyo ako bakit hindi ako nag-wear ng makeup, ganito kasi yun, every time na lumalabas ako I make sure na comfortable ako kahit sa damit and sa mukha. So as much as possible, gusto ko natural. Itong look kasi, yung tinatawag ng weekend look, charot. Never mind kung ano yung mga pinasasabi ko, hindi ko na rin alam. Ang dami kong hanash, right? So ayun, skincare and Liptint lang. Though hindi pa ganun ka-clear ating skin, pero yep, just have to be comfortable with your own skin. I don't wear makeup kasi at first, feeling ko super heavy niya sa mukha pag naglalagay ka. Kasi yung iba, diba, parang nagpo-full face whenever they go out. Kasi, I think I've never done that. I think hindi pa nga ako nakalabas ng bahay na, I mean, yung go out and hang out with friends or going somewhere na full face makeup, wala pa, actually. Even if I have foundation, concealer, eyeshadow here, hindi ako marunong mag-use. Even sa kilay, I don't, kasi hopeless ako sa kilay actually. I tried na ng mga kilay-kilay, pero nag-practice ako pero fail, super fail. And sabi ko, ayoko na magkilay. Okay. So next, we're going with the eye cream. Actually, itong look ko, kaya na ito ng 5 minutes. Every weekend ko talaga ito siyang ginagawa. 5 minutes kaya na siya actually. Pero pag Sunday lang, kulang yung isang oras para mag-ready sa akin. Kasi, yung hair, sa hair ako natatagalan, hindi sa mukha. Sa hair ako natatagalan talaga actually. Kasi, nagbo-blower pa ako, nag-plancha pa ako. Pero, ngayon, I decided na wag mag-plancha kasi nagtali na rin naman ako ng buhok. So, yeah, basically ganun. Itong look, kaya na madalian lang. Kasi skincare lang naman and then lip tint. And ano pa pala, nagka-curl ako ng lashes actually. Nagka-curl ako ng lashes. And then, pag nasa mood ako ng pagiging kikay or girly-girly, maglalagay ako nitong eyeshadow na to. Itong eyeshadow na lang, ito talaga yung ginagamit ko. This kind of, ito yung mga colors lang na bet ko sa aking mata. Kasi subtle lang siya and parang glitter, lang. Pero lang masabi na may kulay yung, natin dyan. Yep. Yung ganun lang. Now, nasa mood ba ako ng girly? Maybe maglalagay ako nito. Maybe lang. Maybe. Let's see later kung anong mangyayari. Right? Then after that eye cream, I'm gonna go with the sunblock. Yep, the sunblock of Skinbliss. I really love this product. Ooh, it's lumabas. Oh my gosh. Though before, I use foundation and concealer. Hindi para sa buong mukha, okay? Kasi just to cover the pimple marks I had before, yung dito. Kasi before talagang yung medyo insecure ako when it comes to my skin. When it comes to my face talaga, na insecure ako sometimes kasi feeling ko rumi dahil dun sa mga pimple marks. But as a day or months pass by, I've learned na you just have to accept whatever you have right now. Just accept and love your skin, your flaws, your imperfections, because yun, you'll end up loving yourself and loving your skin. You don't have to conceal anything or hide anything, right?
Woohoo!
Yun yung ginawa ko actually. I just accept na talagang yung mga pimple marks na yan, mga acne na yun, hindi talaga mawala. Pero, buti na lang, I found this skincare. I mean, these products, the Skinbliss. Thank you so much for this. And nasolusyonan yung naging problema ko. course, you have to, kahit na ganun yung skin, you have to take care of your skin, yourself, right? Because that's self-love. Ano ba? Dami ko na naman hanash kung ano-ano na naman sabi ko. Sorry. Hala. Forgot. Of course, don't forget your neck. Lumabas na naman siya. Ano ba? Sayang. Well, never mind. Meron pa naman tayo isa. Yeah. Don't forget your neck kasi para medyo pantay siya sa face, right? So, ayun. We have our own, naman, diba? Look for every, Pero usually talaga, ito yung ginagawa ko lang kasi isa rin natamad ako na mag-ayos. I mean, just, gusto ko lang talaga comfortable ako. So, ito yung way na pagiging comfortable ko. Now, let's go for eyelash curl. Ito lang rin yung isang problema sa eyelash ko. Lumalaban siya eh. Hindi siya nagka-curl talaga kasi kailangan mo pa ng mascara para lang mag-stay siya na naka-curl. I hate this. Okay. Then, after ng curl, ito lang nila, eyelash grower. And yung parang namin niya yung eyelash mo and pinapahaba. Kasi before, effective kasi rin talaga ito siya for me ha. Kasi before, ang eyelash ko manipis lang and hindi mahaba. But now, dumami siya and medyo humaba yung eyelash. Kaya pinagpatuloy ko siya. Wala yung ginagamit ko. Pero mamaya i-curl natin yan siya ulit para talagang arte no? Yeah, sometimes it can be maarte. Siguro naalala ko before, bata ko. Medyo maarte nga talaga, mahilig ako mag-makeup. Pero as I grow old, I don't know, nawala yung hilig ko sa makeup. I think I decided na gamit tayo na. Ginagawa ko lang talaga is isang ganun lang. Yun na, tapos na. Ganyan lang siya. Diyan, para malagyan lang ng kulay. Then, meron ba? Klaro ba? See, subtle lang siya. And medyo glitter. Kaya yun lang yung ko para makita na may kulay ang ating eyes. And that's it. Yun lang. And here, sometimes, most of the time, most of my weekend, I use contact lens kasi, I don't know, ever since nagustuhan ko ng contact lens, kasi nga singkit ako, and feeling ko, patay ang mata ko pag walang contact lens. Parang, yan, ganyan lang. Parang, lang dating, right? So, gumagamit talaga ako ng contact lens for it. Para lang din talaga, mabuhay yung ating mata. Taray. And then, after that, tip, mag-liptint na lang muna tayo. And, bago ako maglagay ng contact lens kasi medyo, jikang kakari yung paglagay. Whatever, naintindihan niyo ba yun guys? Pero before ako mag-liptint, I make sure na gumagamit ako ng sleeping mask. Sleeping mask siya, pero pwede siya maging lip balm ng Laneige. Actually, Korean product siya. Nakita ko lang rin sa isang sa Kim Bokjo. Yes, I watched K-dramas before, but I stopped because nakakaano ng tulog, so tinigilan ko. Then lip tint. Ang lip tint ko, yung ginagamit ko is yung sugar. Sugar doll ba yun? Or kahit ano basta red. Actually, hindi ako masyado more on pinks. More on reds, dark red. Kasi sabi nila, yun yung bagay daw sa akin sa when it comes to lipstick, yung medyo dark or dark red. At saka yun na yung nakasanayan ko. And I like nudes na lipstick. Yung mga nude lipsticks or lip tints. More on lip tints lang tayo kasi pag lipstick kasi feeling kong heavy sa lips. So medyo hindi ako nag-lipstick. Lip gloss and lip tint only. For most of the time, lip tint. Yep. Then, there! Ito na. Tapos na ako. Ilalagay ko na lang itong contact lens and I'll be right back. So, I'm back, dishes, and there, nalagay ko na yung aking contact lens. See? Mas nagkaroon ng buhay ang aking eyes. Klaro niyo ba yung eyeshadow? Okay. And then, I guess that's it. This is my weekend look. The usual look I do pag weekends. And, yeah, kung okay na sa ganito, hindi ko na kailangan mag-makeup. So, I respect yung mga nagme-makeup talaga. Walang problema doon. Pero, talaga. Ito lang ako. Taray. So, yun. Diba? Yes, basically ganito lang. And, may nakapil pa ako. Wala na. Right? So, whatever budget. So, I'm good with this and I'm ready to go. Okay? So, I guess that's it for today's vlog. Thank you for watching. And if you want me to do a full face makeup, just comment down below. Susubukan ko na mag-makeup kahit na hindi ako marunong, okay? And, yeah, that's it. Feel free to share, like, and subscribe to my channel kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe. And till my next video.